Is the mic on?
Check. I think we're good.
What's the first question, sir?
Are you thinking of doing any collaborations with other YouTubers?
No, I hate the
Do
platform.
not look at me, look at the camera.
No, I hate the platform. It sucks. I don't like people. Yes, obviously. What kind of stupid question is that? Next.
What happened to your Nepal vlogs?
Yeah, don't bring that up, okay? That's just a sensitive topic.
The people want to know, Mark.
They're 92% done, except it's been 2 years, 3 years. So at this state, you know, I probably lost all the storyline. But I mean, I will eventually look at them again.
What is your favorite video you've done to date?
To date, there's probably a few of them. I really like the ones that kind of stand out from every other one. Obviously, you know, the fun stuff like the Subaru video. That was fun to do. That was definitely fun. Or the one with the grippy pad. I just like a lot of videos that kind of come out of the normal flow of things. Those are fun, but favorite video.
What is your favorite iPhone game right now?
Well, if you watch the video that I will be recently posting or have posted, you will know what games are on my phone. I like them. I don't know, golf clash or golf battle or something like that. One of the golf games is really fun. I'll leave a link in the description.
Are you planning on doing any more challenge videos?
Absolutely not, because the individual who usually partakes in the other side of the challenge video is the guy asking the questions, and I don't want to do that.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
3 to 6 hours.
Can you do some vlogs, maybe of getting a new tattoo?
Yes, actually, sure. That would mean I need another tattoo, but yeah, I mean, if I'm getting one, I can film it, sure.
Boxer briefs or boxers?
Thong.
Tim Hortons or Starbucks?
Don't ask stupid questions, obviously Starbucks.
How's the Twitch sitch?
Well, I had, I think, a total of 4 streams. My internet connection in the basement was not the world's best, so I've moved the studio, or the Twitch gaming setup, to the upstairs level of the household. But I stopped doing that. For now, I gotta paint the wall.
How's the Subi doing?
Amazing. Fantastic. I love it. If I were to describe true love, it'd be looking into Pepper's eyes every morning when I don't get to drive her because I have a company vehicle, but...
How is YouTube's algorithm affecting you?
Oh, I love it so much. It really brings a lot of viewers to the channel. It really helps the channel grow, and I get astronomical views on every video I post.
In follow-up to that,
Yes.
how do you have over 18,000 subs
Yeah.
and your videos views are so low? WTF, YouTube?
Because that...
I got my AirPods in there.
I really hope I didn't break.
Notification Squad, get a shout out.
Shout out Notification Squad.
Next question. If corn oil is made from corn and vegetable oil is made from vegetables, what is baby oil made from?
Human babies.
Why is an alarm clock going off when it actually turns on?
The reason for this is really the inaugural kind of science behind the idea of an alarm. What is an alarm? Is it there to wake you up or put you to bed from your dream?
If quizzes are quizzical, what are tests?
Genitals.
Why does it take 15 minutes to cook minute rice?
Because what they don't tell you in the fine print is that 1 minute is equivalent to the duration that it takes to cook rice, which is 15 minutes.
What are your plans for future growth on the channel?
I like to make videos.
What is your favorite type of video to make?
Motion videos.
Do you do any photography?
Follow me on Instagram at MarkStapf to find thumbnails.
How is your new studio coming along?
Why did you say that so slowly? It's pretty much done. I will be making a video on the actual completion process of that very shortly.
What's your favorite show on Netflix right now?
Ooh, that's a good one. What's the one? The Australian Pine Gap. That's a good one. Recommend.
Have you read any of those books on the shelf behind you?
Absolutely not. I'm actually filed in the Canadian government as illiterate.
When are you going to upgrade your phone?
Don't ask questions like that because that's personally offensive.
When are you going to upgrade your computer?
Again with the personal questions.
Do you think Apple should come out with a foldable phone?
Absolutely, probably not. Don't do that yet.
How many lenses is too many on a phone?
Exactly 5. Plus or minus.
Who do you talk to the most?
I'd like to give a shout out to my girlfriend, Shaya. Thank you.
How is your girlfriend doing?
Good. What you want to should I call her?
Yes.
Call honey bunches of oats with extra flavor.
Hey, baby. Next question. Why do you have a deflated basketball in your basement?
I like sports.
What is your favorite phone case?
Shout out Rhino Shield.
How many languages do you speak?
Uno, dos, tres, 3. Spanish is not one of them.
What is your favorite gaming console?
Ooh, PC by far.
Apart from PC.
PS4.
How much time do you spend in the shower?
This relates to a previous question you have asked earlier. 3 to 4 hours. I have a really big hot water tank.
Last and final question.
Yes.
Do desperate times call for desperate measures?
I prefer a ruler.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Stapf. Not frequently asked questions.
How do I get out of here?
Find a way out. There you go.